Hi everyone, so I'm back with another quick and easy little project for you. I'm just going to make two little tip-in pages for the journal that I'm working on, and here I'm using ephemera from ArtFulEra Gallery, and you can find a link down below in the description box with a 40% discount. You just click on the link and you will get the 40% off at checkout. So I've printed off two pages and I'm just finding a page there in the book where I wanted to put them. So I'm using this piece here, and it was the mockingbird, which obviously appropriate because I'm doing a bird journal. And I'm just I'm not doing any measuring. I'm just eyeballing everything here. That's how I do a lot of my stuff. I don't often measure unless I really have to. So yeah, here I'm just going to ink up around the edges. Picked up the wrong dauber thing there, dabber, and just inking up around all the edges. So that's that all done. Here's just a piece of paper, digital paper that I'm using because I'm going to create like two little side tucks, side pockets with this to attach that page onto the page in the journal, or the pocket of the flip, the tip-in piece. That's what it is, the tip-in piece. So I'm just gonna, again, just making sure where I want this, making sure it's going to be the right way round. So I'm just measuring that and then just getting a ruler and tearing that off to the right size. Then I'm just going to use this to make my little notch because my round circle punch is rubbish. I must invest in a new one, but that does the job, so what's the point of buying something else when you've got something that does the job anyway? So again, just inking up all around the edges. You don't have to ink up, but it's just my preference of inking up. And we're folding it round the other way so that the pattern side is going to be visible. Now there's a theme of green going through this journal, so that's why I used that little bit of paper. So just adding the glue around three sides, obviously not the side where we've just taken the little notch out. And I'm just going to line that up there. I'm just double checking that I'm doing it all the right way. It's better to check a couple of times than make a mistake. So again, three sides glued there. And then we just stick that in. And then I've got these little pieces for the bird journal, and I quite like that. It goes well with the paper on the little pocket on the other side. So I'm just going to back that so that it's nice and sturdy. You could stitch it as well, but I just wanted this to be a quick and easy project, so I'm just squishing that down. Make sure the glue kind of oozed out the sides. That's good because we don't want it coming away at the edges. And then I'm just trimming that off with my scissors. Now, is it scissor or scissors? Depending on how you are using the word, I think. Scissor, scissors. Up for debate, that one. Up for debate. Right, I would normally let that dry for a little bit, so we're just going to put that on there. So just a bead of glue down one side and just pop that on there. And I am going to do another one on camera, but I'm not going to talk through that one. So we've got that, and we've got space there, and that's one tip-in page. So that's 2 little tip-in ideas. Well, they're the same one, but I've just done 2 of them. So one idea, made it twice. Great for, you know, if you've got a journal and you need to add more, like writing space or journal space, whatever you do, you know, however you use your journal. Just add in these little tip-in pages, and there's many ways you can add in a tip-in page. This is just one way. So like I said, there's 40% off on the link below to ArtFulEra Gallery. You'll find that link in the description box. Go over and have a little peek at what they have in their shop. There's lots of goodies in there. I love the ephemera packs. So yeah, there we have it. Nice and easy. If you have any questions, just ask. And thank you very much for watching. And I'll probably be back soon with another Craft With Me video.